Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Dogecoin from your Ledger Nano X to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, sell, or just move your crypto for better management, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and secure. Why do this? Ledger Nano X offers top-notch security for your Dogecoin, but Gemini is great for easy access and trading, especially with its user-friendly interface. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device set up with the Dogecoin app installed, some Dogecoin in your wallet, and a verified Gemini account. Also, double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware, always a good habit for 2025's evolving crypto world. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have Ledger Live, download it from the official website. Once open, unlock your device with your PIN. Next, in Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Dogecoin wallet. You'll see your balance. Take a moment to verify it. Now, head over to your Gemini account on another tab or device. Go to the Deposit section for Dogecoin and generate a new deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Back in Ledger Live, click on the Send button for your Dogecoin account. Paste the Gemini deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the fees. Remember, crypto fees can vary, so keep an eye on that in 2025's market. Before confirming, your Ledger device will prompt you to verify the transaction details on its screen. Double-check the address and amount to avoid any mistakes. Security first. Once you're sure, approve the transaction on your Ledger. Finally, sit back and wait for the transfer to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up in your Gemini account, you're all set. Always monitor your transactions and never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. A simple way to move your Dogecoin in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy transferring. Thanks for watching.